What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with the AMT International Scout 2. Over 53 unassembled pieces. It's a pretty simple kit. I've seen another YouTuber build it up, and he did an unboxing and showed what was inside. It's pretty basic. So we're gonna crack this thing open and rip through it, and this is going to be the next build that I'll work on. Planning on doing a weathered build, since these things were always so rusted. So we're going to do like we do, pop the top, rip it, check it. And right away, see, we have a nifty little photograph of a finished model, and then probably dot printing. Who knows? It's high quality image. Like I was about to say, these particular trucks were known to rust. Like something wrong with the paint and the metal. They were known to have rust issues, like from the factory. So I'm gonna make mine really rusty. It's the most interesting AMT manual I've ever seen. Long, detailed, scripted, the scripted text, whatever, written portions for how the assembly goes. So this, I'm pretty sure this is an old mold. This is an old model. It's, probably another round 2 cash grabbery pop. I mean, I like what they have. I just wish the quality was a little bit better. So, you got some basic decals, some nice stripes, rally stripes, America. So that needs to be put on like that. And then some license plates and a dashboard and stuff. So, whatever, that's cool. Just jump right to the body. Top does not come off, not without a lot of work. But in doing my little bit of research, I did find out that these metal tops were also notorious for having tons and tons of cancer, rust everywhere. So my plan is to, open that up a whole bunch, put some rust holes, and just beat the snot out of it. So the concern for overall quality, don't really care that much, but it looks to be okay. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's all super warped or anything. Interior tub and chassis is all one piece, which that would be pretty easy to tub this. If one was going to want to put big racing slicks on it, or wrap them, something crazy, do something crazy, man. So that's not going to happen with this build. I'm just saying, there's options. You always have options. The really low parts count, so this is going to be a quickie. Bada boom, bada bing. Just drop by to show you some model parts. So it even looks like it's, I mean, the detail is okay, but it's not stellar. I mean, the dashboard's okay, it seems pretty simple. It feels very toy-like, not a lot of realism to it. So the mud will fix that. There's your various components, the 2 parts trees. So, okay, moving on to the chrome. Again, very limited, sparse selection. Valve covers, a grill, and some wheels, which looks like a couple of them are chromed closed. So I'm going to have to do a little work to open that up. Kind of looks like the bumper's already got a black wash in it. That's weird. Never seen that before. And a nice big single piece clears for the windows for the cab. And then the tires. Oh wow, that's bizarre. I've never seen that before either. So the wheel back, which is huge. That's what kind of threw me off about this tree. Those just feel out of place. So big giant wheel backs, and then little teeny. Okay, that's so if those are brake backing, you know. Come on, whatever. So, so I'm gonna make a rust bucket out of it. That's gonna be the next build coming up on the channel. No reds, no headlights. Wait, okay, there are some clear marker lights that you paint. So okay, that's fine. That's better than not. Better than the headlights that, man, maybe cut those open and have headlight buckets hanging out instead. So there we go. That they could probably fit it all in the frame. Yep, that's pretty limited. There it is in all of its glory. The AMT International Scout 2. Bunch of rust. Yeah, with that yellow. Yeah. So, coming soon. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, or not.